family, we're back again with another collab hosted by Domestic Diva. It's her summer challenge of a home sign. And here's my sign. I found this piece of wood. It came from an old cabinet drawer. So we're gonna go ahead and sand it down and then get it all prepared so that we can use it for a project today. This project was actually inspired by Pinterest because I was scrolling through as I was looking for a home sign to actually make, and I seen so many that said home sweet home. Next, we're going to go ahead and remove the hardware so that we can utilize it as an actual sign. We're going to grab some white paint and we're going to go ahead and lightly brush the paint on. We don't want to saturate it. We're just using this to give it a weathered look. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, I'm going to go over the top, kind of heavy, but I'm going to come back down and I'm going to wipe it down with my paper towel. Take some cutouts that I got off of my Cricut in the color red, and we're going to place them onto our sign. Here I'm using some carbon fiber vinyl. I had it on hand. I purchased a lot of it just because it was on sale, and now I finally get a chance to use it. I hope you like the way this looks. Know what you guys are actually doing for the summer. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me how your days are going by. How are you getting through this time? What is it that I can do to help you pass time as well? Here I am getting a bit of help to get it screwed into the wall. Our drill actually broke, so we had to hand screw it throughout this project. I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely had fun with this one, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below. Tell me what you're thinking about the videos.